Alright, so today we're going to be doing an exercise from Betty Edwards' book called Drawing from the Right Side of the Brain. This exercise we're going to be doing an upside down drawing. So the reason we're doing it this way, we're taking an image and we're trying to copy it, but the image itself we're turning upside down. So there's a reason for this. So this image is obviously an image that we would recognize as being a horse. If we have the image right side up, the left side of our brain, which is the more logical side of our brain, the side that also deals with language, is constantly telling us that this is a horse, and that's all we can think about when we're drawing, is that we're drawing a horse. But if you're thinking about it that way, you're not going to actually be able to draw it accurately. So, by turning it upside down, we are trying to trick our brains into seeing it differently. Obviously, we're all smart people. We can still tell it's supposed to be a horse even if it's upside down, but the point is to try to ignore that. We're trying to switch into the right side of our brain, which deals with visuals. The right side of our brain can break this down into not seeing it as a horse, but rather seeing it as just a series of lines. So as you're drawing, you're trying to look at each individual line, look at how short is the line, how long is the line, does it curve, which direction does it curve, and you're really trying to focus on each individual line itself and trying to really remind yourself this whole time that you're just drawing lines, you're not drawing a horse. There's going to be that part in the back of your brain that's going to keep trying to tell you that you're drawing a horse, but you have to just keep reminding yourself that all you're drawing is lines. And if you're able to just focus on the quality of the lines and not think about the finished product being a horse, then you're able to better focus on actually copying it accurately. So as I'm drawing all these lines, like right now I'm drawing a leg, I'm not thinking about drawing a leg. I'm just looking at the lines themselves, seeing how they curve, how long they are. Now I'm drawing the tail, but again, I'm not thinking about it that way. I'm just looking at it as a series of lines. So, I'm gonna add these last few touches. And when you turn it right side up, it's probably not gonna be perfect. I mean, my horse is a little bit chunkier than the original horse, but you'll find that you're able to copy it more accurately than if it were right side up, because you're able to use that right side of your brain.